Hey everyone, it's Julie with Mint Personal Chef. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make coffee maple glazed rainbow carrots using Capresso coffee. It's super delicious. If you're a coffee lover, you're going to love it. It's super cool because they're going to actually be roasting the carrots on top of coffee beans. So if you're ready, let's get cooking. So to start, we just need to peel our rainbow carrots here. I'm going to be using 2 bunches of carrots. And these ones are great because they're already pretty thin. But if you're working with thicker carrots, you're going to want to slice them in half lengthwise. So go ahead and just peel all of your carrots. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more cooking videos. Happy eating!